Um, I think it would be my trips abroad for DFC. Um, Walang particular moment, pero it's always those moments na may nag-a-approach sa akin at nagpapasalamat na, Jed, thank you. Thank you for your music. Thank you for your voice. Thank you for inspiring me. Thank you for giving me purpose to live. Yun yung mga ganun. No? Sabi ko, grabe, ganun pala yung impact ng music sa buhay ng tao. Sometimes we just take it for granted na parang we just look at it as entertainment.
Yes.
But sometimes pala, when I meet people who may mga pinagdadaanan na talagang they don't find purpose in life anymore, a little moment na marinig lang nila yung music ko or boses ko, iba pala yung impact ko sa kanila. So those are the things that really give me purpose na hindi ko makakalimutan na during times na gusto ko, ayoko na, pagod na ako, hindi ko na kaya, mahirap eh. But whenever I look back and listen to all these comments and all these feedback, it gives me another push na, Jed, go, kaya mo pa, they still need you, parang gano'n.
Totoo naman, iba naman kasi ang boses ng isang Jed Matela. Iba yung music, it really heals, it's therapeutic for people, lalo na ngayon may mga pinagdadaanan. Now, going back to the video, meron ka bang anything that stood out for you na memory nung pinapanood natin? Kasi nga, talagang ang daming years na, naging scope ng buong video. So, meron ka ba parang isang, uy, alala ko yun, ay, nangyari nga pala yun.
I think it would be the clips showing me na nagme-mentor ako. Nagme-mentor ako sa mga artists, sa Your Face Sounds Familiar, sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. Yun nga, as I mentioned kanina, I didn't imagine myself to be in this status. Kasi dati, iniisip ko lang, kakanta lang ako, perform lang ako, mag-entertain lang ako. But looking at the clips, parang, wow, mentor, tapos sasabihin, parang tatawagin akong coach. Every time when I walk around ABS, I'm like, oy, coach! May mga ganun ng mga artists and even online on social media, nakakataba ng puso. So, yeah, it gives me more purpose.
Ako ang nag-stand out sa akin yung sumasayaw ka, Jed eh.
Oh my God.
Nakita niyo ba yun?
Nakita niyo ba yun?
Meron sumasayaw si Jed Matela. Para saan yun?
Idea ni Direk Loren yun. Hindi, but ako kasi, I enjoy working with people and I enjoy picking their brains. And there was one meeting na sabi ko, Direk, ano pang pwede kong gawin? Sabi niya, sige, nakapag-concert ka na, nakapag-tour ka na around the world, you've tried a little bit of acting through cameo roles and music videos. Sabi niya, try mo kayo sumayaw. So, sabi ko, sige, game ako niyan.
At hindi siya nagjo-joke.
Hindi siya nagjo-joke.
Seryoso pala siya.
And ako naman kasi, I try to challenge myself na I don't want to stay in like, okay na ako dito, singer na ako, okay na ako. Hindi, it's more of, the reason why I love working with people like Direk Loren, Jonathan Manalo, and other producers, they see things na hindi ko nakikita sa sarili ko. Na minsan, sabihin ko, seryoso ka, Direk? Gusto mo akong pasayawin? And even Jonathan, I would say na, seryoso ka, itong style gusto mo patry sa akin. And I'm open to that. I'm open to that. I just need somebody to push. And sige, try mo lang. Kasi minsan, kahit na ganito na ako katagal sa industriya, I still have my doubts. I still have my doubts na kaya ko ba to, hindi ba ako magmumukhang nakakatawa. But, with people who surround me, like sina Direk, they see things na hindi ko nakikita. And pag tinatry ko, oo nga, no? Pwede. So, it's growing. It's a growth for us artists.